Bigumi Wake Up Serum is a unique preparation made with pure beta-glucan extracted from venus yeast. A special combination of beta-glucan and other ingredients regenerates the skin. Bigumi Wake Up Serum supports all of us who suffer from aging skin and is able to assist with wrinkles, skin spots and dryness. It also tones and lightens the skin and helps protect the skin from ultraviolet radiation. The mechanism of Bigumi Wake Up Serum with pure venus yeast extract beta-glucan is such that when applied to the skin, beta-glucan effectively supports the skin's natural defenses and enables the quick delivery of nutrients to the skin cells. Bigumi Wake Up Serum can be safely added to your current cosmetic regime as it enhances the ability of the skin to gain the benefits of your other cosmetics. For example, studies have shown that the application of Bigumi Wake Up Serum before normal sunscreen yields a far greater sunscreening effect than application of just sunscreen alone. What is beta-glucan and how safe is it? Beta-glucan is a carbohydrate derived from the cell walls of venus yeast, and only beta-glucan of the highest purity is used in Bigumi Wake Up Serum. Beta-glucan has more than 40 patents issued by the United States Patent and Trademark Office. Beta-glucan from yeast is the only one that can claim to be generally regarded as safe by the US Food and Drug Administration. The following is a short listing of some of the patents issued for beta-glucan. Methodology for extraction of nano-level sized particles. Beta-glucan composition and compounding methodology. Methodology for separation of multiple sugar extracts. Manufacturing methodology for pharmaceutical grade neutral beta-glucan as an anti-carcinogenic agent. Beta-glucan composition. Methodology for dosage and supplemental use of beta-glucan. Skin nutrition and application methodology. Langerhans cells, ultraviolet rays, aging care, skin discoloration and lines. Why is beta-glucan so precious? The natural power of beta-glucan. Beta-glucans occur naturally in mushrooms, certain grains and yeasts, and are known as biological response modifiers because of their ability to activate the immune system. Immunologists have discovered that receptors on the surface of innate immune cells are responsible for binding to beta-glucans, allowing the immune cells to recognize cancerous pathogens as non-self. As Australia has a very high incidence of skin cancer, Bigumi Wake Up Serum offers an effective solution as it activates the immune cells of the skin. Of the many varieties and sources of beta-glucans, beta-glucan from yeast is the only one that meets the GRAS safety standards of the US Food and Drug Administration, FDA. When taken orally, the FDA found beta-glucan from yeast to be generally regarded as safe. Accredited to US FDA standards for both safety and efficacy, pharmaceuticals based on the patented beta-glucan compound used in Bigumi Wake Up Serum are in FDA Phase 2 and Phase 3 clinical trials in the United States. The following CG animation outlines the mechanism of beta-glucan and the positive effect on the human immune system. The key point is that regardless of how beta-glucan is administered, either intravenously, orally or topically through the skin, the effect on the immune system is the same.
The human immune system is a highly complex network of millions of immune cells that protect the body from constant exposure to pathogens and disease. One defense mechanism that has evolved over time is the body's response to yeast. These potentially harmful organisms are initially the target of antibodies, which bind to the pathogen and attract soluble blood proteins called complement to also bind to the target. The complement protein now attracts neutrophils, the most abundant immune cell in the body. Neutrophils are innate immune cells that are part of the body's first line of defense. Special receptors on their surface bind to complement-coated targets, These receptors have a second site that detects and binds beta-glucan, a carbohydrate found in the cell walls of yeast. Both the complement and the beta-glucan binding sites must be occupied for the neutrophil to recognize the yeast cell as a non-self pathogen and kill it. Innate immune cells, like neutrophils, are the body's primary response to foreign challenges. Biothera is developing patented beta-glucan compounds that significantly enhance the immune system to fight a wide range of diseases. Biothera's pharmaceutical compounds are administered intravenously. Applications include pharmaceuticals, functional foods, and animal feeds. When taken orally, beta-glucan passes through the stomach and is the right size for uptake through the Peyer's patches, which are specialized regions in the small intestine. In the Peyer's patch, M cells pick up and transport the beta-glucan particles into the body and present them to innate immune cells called macrophages. Similarly, the injected beta-glucan is engulfed or phagocytized by macrophages in circulation. From this point on, the mechanism of action is very similar for both the oral and injectable beta-glucan. The macrophages transport the beta-glucan to immune organs throughout the body via the lymphatic system. While in the immune organs, the macrophages digest the beta-glucan into smaller fragments and slowly release them over a number of days. These fragments bind to neutrophils via the complement receptor, priming them for activity. Activated by beta-glucan, the neutrophils now more quickly navigate to the site of a foreign challenge, a process known as chemotaxis. With the beta-glucan already present, neutrophils need to simply bind to the complement on a bacteria or virus cell to activate the enhanced killing ability of these immune cells. Neutrophils, however, are normally not involved in the fight against cancer because they do not recognize this abnormal human tissue as non-self. When antibodies bind to cancer cells and attract complement, these primed neutrophils now see them as non-self and begin killing them as if they were yeast. The result is a novel therapy that significantly increases the efficacy of monoclonal antibodies. This combination therapy engages a new arm of the immune system into the battle against cancer.
The type of beta-glucan in Bigumi wake-up serum is safe and has dual functionality, as it activates the immune cells of both the body's internal organs and its largest external organ being the skin, depending on how it is applied. In capsule form, beta-glucan can be taken orally and is absorbed and distributed by macrophages. The beta-glucan then primes neutrophils, which are the body's first line of defense against pathogens. When Bigumi wake-up serum is applied to the skin, the beta-glucan is absorbed and taken up by the skin's immune cells known as Langerhans cells. The morphology and function of Langerhans and macrophage cells are similar. These time-lapse images demonstrate the effectiveness of Bigumi wake-up serum on some common skin conditions. This table is an extract from the Bigumi wake-up serum patent. It compares concentrations of Langerhans cells in both bare skin and sunscreen skin when exposed to ultraviolet radiation with and without Bigumi wake-up serum. As can be seen, the concentrations of Langerhans cells in ultraviolet irradiated sunscreened skin pre-treated with Bigumi wake-up serum were almost unchanged from pre-irradiated skin. In the second smaller table, Langerhans cells concentrations after 1 week show the continued effectiveness of skin treated with beta-glucan. Bigumi Wake Up Serum, blessed with beta-glucan, is a natural and powerful solution for all those who suffer from aging skin.